Hello guys, welcome to your channel Ray of Hope, and we are going to cover Burpsuite, the game changer actually in terms of penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. This is the game changer tool that we needed. So, what is Burpsuite? Burpsuite is a Java-based application testing framework actually, which helps security professional to identify and fix vulnerabilities in a web application APIs and network infrastructure. So let me just give you the instance of it so you can have the idea how does that look like. So if I just open this, run the command, okay, got it, let it get open. It will take a few couple of seconds more. There you go. Finally we have Burpsuite, right, and the proxy tool, a game changer that we uses in penetration testing and bug bounty. It doesn't matter whether you are offensive side or defensive side, you would always need that, and you should master this tool as well. So this is the Burpsuite, right? Basically this is the interface. Okay, now let's go ahead and understand about its functionality. There's something called proxy. What does that mean? It is a feature of Burpsuite which intercept the traffic or data header request that is coming, intercept them. Okay, so now if I just open the Burpsuite, over here in proxy tab there's something called intercept, right? So once, like suppose if I open this Firefox, actually I have interceptor over Firefox over there, right? So I will on that, like whatever I'm gonna search, it will intercept the HTTP request and will show it over here. And then we can do a lot of things, like we can do intercept over here, we can send to a repeater and all those things. So this is the proxy tab which bit intercept the traffic, okay, in just basic manner. You just need to know. We will be covering in practical way as well. You just now understand the concept of it. Now there is something called target tab or target tool enables you to define which targets are in scope for your current work. It is also contains the sitemap and crawl path tab, which show you detailed information about your target applications. You can use that information about your target applications content and functionality to drive the workflow for your penetration testing. So let me show you. Over here you will find this is a target tab, right? So over here, whatever this, you will be getting a list of the URL. So once you get the list of the URL, you can just click right and then send to the scope. And over here you can particularly work for single website. This will save hell lot of time, right? Now there's something called Intruder. A intruder is a powerful tool for performing highly customized automated attack against the website. It enables you to configure attacks that send the same request over and over again, inserting different payloads into predefined position each time. Okay, so over here you can see there is something called intruder. Basically we can use intruder to perform numerous attacks, like you can see we can also use this to perform brute force, right? And there are multiple attacks we can perform using intruder, which we will be using soon, right? Now there is something called repeater. A repeater tools allows user to create and send intercepted requests to a target. Users can copy requests from other tools like the proxy or target and modify them before sending them again to the target, right? What does that mean? You didn't get it, right? Okay, let me show you. This is repeater. Suppose in a proxy tab I got this, I send this to repeater, right? So over here I can see its responses, right? So basically proxy and repeater both are almost same. I mean over here, I mean into you just intercept the data, you send http request, I mean you send to the repeater. I mean over here if we forward this request, it will directly go to the website or server, right, we are working on. But over here if we do that, it will not directly, I mean it will save our time, right? A ping request, or I mean number of http request on just one request, we can modify number of times, and whatever outputs we will be getting over here, we will be working on that. So it will save your time and you can perform multiple attempts, right? That's what this means. Now there's something called sequencer. A Burpsuite sequencer enables you to analyze the quality of randomness in a sample of tokens. You can use sequencers to test any tokens that are intended to be unpredictable, such as session tokens, anti-CSRF tokens, password reset tokens, and many more, which is over here. So this is what you will be doing over here, analyzing sequencer. You can analyze those type of attacks actually, right? Now there's something called decoder. How we gonna use decoder? A decoder is a tool that can help you to analyze and manipulate data during web application security testing. It can encode and decode data and can convert data between different formats, right? Okay, so this is decoder. So suppose if we like we have something like we have one encoded file that which is base 64, right? So if we paste it over here, it will decode it as base 64, right? So this is what we're gonna do. We will be learning about it in detail, right? Now you just learn the functionality that we will be using in Burpsuite. Okay, don't get confused about the practical session. We will be doing that in our upcoming sessions, right? Now there's something called comparer. A Burpsuite compare is a tool in Burpsuite that compares two items of data like http request or responses. It can be used to find subtle difference between two request or response. Okay, so this is comparer. So over here in we can compare two of the request at the same time, and we can find what are the different output we can get, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Moreover, there is something called extender. Extender allows user to extend Burp functionality by using their own or third party code. User can use Burp extension to customize how Burpsuite behaves. Like over here in extender, you can see add button. So over here you can just search for it, and you can just select file, and you can just add multiple file whichever extension if you want. Like I have used collaborator everywhere, right? So that is what I have added. Same way you can do so, and how I have added this we will learn later. Now not least, but I could not say that this is the last, but Burpsuite scanner, which is scanner actually. Scanner is a web vulnerability scanner that helps find and fix vulnerabilities in a web application. It is an automated DAST. You may have heard about DAST and SAST, dynamic application security testing, static application security testing, tools that designed to mimic the actions of a skilled manual tester. To scan over here, we can using this, we can just perform the scan, and it will give us the possible. Not only this, it will show us all of the possible attacks over here. See, we can learn it from over here as well. You wanna learn SQL? Okay, there you go, learn about it. Okay, like that, right? So this is the some of the functionality of Burpsuite that we will be learning, and we need to mastery in that. Moreover, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe our channel RayofHope and share your views in the comment section. Thank you.